Okay, this is the third step, which is redirecting the WordPress page to the new waitlist page. So that is the last part of this training. So here, this is now the new page, which is basically, if we go back to the landing page, if we visit this waitlist preview, so this should be the new page, waitlist opt-in. So I should have named this psychic development so that it should be appropriate. So let's go and quickly do that so that we could edit the details. Let's name this psychic and psychic and intuitive waitlist. So let's put that on the psychic intuitive waitlist opt-in. So that's going to be the URL. So this link will no longer work. Viola 404. So let's go back and let's copy this new link, and this is going to be the new link now. I don't know if this is the right spelling. Psychic. Is that the correct spelling? Psychic. Now, going back to Michelle Langley, and we are going to go and find that psychic link. So it should be on the task in Asana. Let me first find that. There should be a task here that's actually about the psychic development page. So this is going to be for this page. So now this is the page that we actually need to redirect to this new waitlist page. But before that, before we do any redirection, we have to ensure that it's going to work, and we have to do the test. Okay, so let's first go to ConvertKit and see if we are going to get added to ConvertKit, and if after we put an opt-in and so on and so forth, then we know that it's going to we are going to get added. It's going to work. We will know it's going to work if we are going to get added to ConvertKit. So I'm gonna name my test clean test, and I'm gonna name this early console. So I'm gonna name this plus test. And then ConvertKit, and we're going to go back to the psychic intuitive abilities waitlist, and we're going to see the subscribers here. Subscribers, and there you have it. So we have 2 subscribers. Let's see if I'm gonna input this, and I should be able to be redirected to our thank you page. Waitlist away page. Thank you. You're now notified. You will be first notified to our relaunch or development psychic intuitive abilities program. So if we're going to refresh ConvertKit, so it should now say 3 if we have been successfully added. So it still says 2. Probably passing data from Kajabi to ConvertKit might take time. Oh, why? Confirm subscribers, all subscribers. Let's see. Yeah, so here, actually my test earlier from her website was here. So it needs to be confirmed. So confirm subscribers, and actually there is all subscribers. So it seems like it successfully passed on. So let me check first my email. So I should have, got an email, Charlie plus test. So if I go to my Gmail account, so it seems we have a problem lately. We have a lot of problem loading things out from here. So I think we need to proceed and go with site development. So this is WordPress, and we need to log in. So remember the page. This is the page that we're going to redirect, and we have to log into wp-admin, and we need to log into WordPress. And from here, we are going to log in and reload the page so that we don't necessarily have to go through the pages we just copied earlier, the page that we wanted to edit. So just reload that once you're logged into the back end. So now if we reload the page, you should now see this editor here. So now we don't necessarily have to go here. We just have to go to the tools and see if there's any plugin. No, that means we need to have a plugin called redirection. Okay, so we need to install the plugin called redirection. If the plugin is already installed, you should be able to find that here. So let's find that on plugin repository, redirect. So let's just type redirect. So I should type in redirection. Yeah, so redirection, I want to install that, and we are going to use this redirection plugin to create redirects with WordPress. Now that it's been installed, let's activate this. And after activating, you should now be able to see in tools, redirection. You now see the redirection menu under tools, main menu. So now once you are in redirection, it's pretty simple to create a waitlist, a redirection. So again, this is a thank you page. We are going to go back to the opt-in. So this is the opt-in page that we are going to redirect to. So in redirection, we are going to use that as target URL. And then remember that this is the page that we are going to use as the source URL. So we are going to go and here's additional. You have to add a question mark, and then you have to check in regex. So what does that is that if I'm gonna visit Sidekick Development with / or with no / it will load. We have no problem. But if we don't add this parameter here and check regex, what will happen is that if I only put a backslash there, and then I visit this page without the backslash, I will get 404. So we have to ensure that you have this / question mark, and then check the regex. So let's see, add redirect, and it should be added here. So you see that it's Sidekick Development. You will see that this is specifically means that it's going to be from the home page, which is this one. So this is the root domain. So now let's go ahead and refresh this page. What will happen then if I'm going to refresh this page? I should now be redirected to the Kajabi page. So it seems like it didn't. You're bad. So let's see, and let's retry this again. Over and over again. Please redirect now, please. So it seems like there is a problem. It's good to know that there's some problem with the redirection that we just created, and this is the problem most of the time. So here's the thing. What we could do, it seems like this is an active page, and it seems like the redirection didn't work out for this. If that is the case, I would try to see if there's any settings that I actually have to do here. So template, is there any redirection? No. Is there any script here that we could actually use? So use visual video editor, settings, sharing. So we have a DB here. So I think we could use the layout excerpt, custom field. So that's how you could actually redirect with redirection. It seems that it didn't work here, so I think I have to find another way. So probably I'm gonna install something from this page, which basically landing page. What is landing page? Oh, wait, ConvertKit, landing page, receive form. So this is ConvertKit. So let's try with different one. That navigation, high navigation, scroll. So let's just try to rename this page to kinda old instead. So that means we are replacing the link earlier. So let's copy this, let's copy that, and then we're going to reload it. And Of course, it will still reload because we haven't updated it yet. So it's still going to load through that. So now we have replaced the old. We are removing the old. We are appending _old on the link. So now if you refresh this, let's try if redirection will happen. Yay! It did. So that's the method that we could actually do. So we are replacing the link of the page that is currently active because it seems like a redirection isn't overriding the code from this page. So what we did is that we renamed this link and we updated it through a different so we could use that link of the page here. So the redirection will work. So you see, again, that's basically how it works. So if I'm gonna do it with / or without / I should be able to be redirected to this page, which is the option. So what about that? So I think that's all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.